Are you tired of feeling uncomfortable in your own skin? Do you want to successfully manage your weight and feel confident again? It's time to feel the shrink and master your eating habits. First, start by understanding your body's hunger signals. Don't wait until you're starving to eat, but also don't eat until you're overly full. Find the middle ground and listen to your body. Next, choose nutrient-dense foods that will keep you full and satisfied. Focus on lean proteins, whole grains, and plenty of fruits and veggies. And don't forget to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water will help keep your hunger in check. But what about those pesky cravings? It's okay to indulge every now and then, but practice mindfulness when doing so. Allow yourself to enjoy a small portion of your favorite treat, but don't let it turn into a binge. Finally, remember that successful weight management is a journey, not a destination. Celebrate your wins and learn from your setbacks. And most importantly, be kind to yourself. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this.
Gimana videonya? Jika kalian suka, silakan subscribe, like, dan share.